Parma, Ohio, Low Voltage Contractor License Bond. What is Parma, Ohio, Low Voltage Contractor License Bond? The Parma, Ohio, Low Voltage Contractor License Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors who install or service low voltage systems, such as alarms, data wiring, and communication lines. It acts as a financial guarantee that the contractor will follow local codes, ordinances, and licensing rules. This bond involves three parties: the contractor principal, the city obligee, and the surety company. Why is Parma, Ohio, Low Voltage Contractor License Bond required? The city requires this bond to protect the public and ensure that low voltage contractors perform their work safely and legally. It helps guarantee compliance with building codes and industry standards, reducing the risk of faulty installations. If a contractor violates regulations or causes damages, the bond provides a way for affected parties to seek compensation. How does Parma, Ohio, Low Voltage Contractor License Bond work? The contractor purchases the bond from a surety company as part of the licensing process. If the contractor fails to meet obligations, such as code violations or incomplete work, a claim can be filed against the bond. The surety may pay valid claims up to the bond amount, but the contractor is ultimately responsible for reimbursing the surety. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.